in the fall. That's the rule for all schools in Illinois effective today. Governor Pritzker issuing the statewide mandate this afternoon. And tonight we're hearing reaction from Republicans, parents, and teachers.
WGN's Mike Law is live at the Thompson Center where the governor made that announcement. Mike.
Ray and Micah, good evening to both of you. There are 1.8 million children in the state of Illinois under the age of 12, and that means they are not vaccinated, but they will all be going back to school in the fall, and that is exactly why Governor J.B. Pritzker says everyone in those buildings, from preschool all the way through high school, students and staff must be wearing masks, at least for the beginning part of the year.
Effective immediately, all P-12 schools and daycares in Illinois must follow the CDC guidance of universal masking inside, regardless of vaccine status.
Governor J.B. Pritzker says Illinois students will need masks along with their school supplies this fall, ending a debate that had simmered through the summer.
Masks would be worn by all students in grades PK through 5 when a minimum of 3 foot.
Okay.
The governor characterized the highly contagious Delta variant of the COVID-19 virus as a growing threat, as he announced the statewide school mask mandate just days after the CDC updated its mask guidance to read, "The CDC recommends universal indoor masking for all teachers, staff, students, and visitors to K through 12 schools, regardless of vaccination status." The Illinois mask mandate is now effective in every preschool through high school statewide for all students and staff indoors. Coaches and athletes outdoors will not have to wear masks.
I think it's the least we can do.
Sally Feiertag and her daughter Scarlett say the mask mandate is a good idea, but they say they understand why other parents may be upset.
They're concerned about building their children's immunity naturally.
The governor's political opponents weighed in too. House Republican leader Jim Durkin has been critical of what he calls Governor Pritzker's overreach on COVID measures. Tonight, he blasted him in a written statement saying Governor Pritzker must put his continuing power trip aside and allow local health departments, elected officials, schools, and most importantly, parents to make decisions on these serious issues to help stop the spread of COVID-19. The governor also issued a vaccine mandate for state employees working in veterans' homes, state prisons, and other congregate settings.
The Delta variant is highly transmissible, more so than any other previous forms of this virus.
As for the school mandate, major teachers' unions supported the governor's decision. In a statement, the Illinois Federation of Teachers president wrote, "Science tells us that a layered approach will go a long way towards helping keep schools open and students, staff, and communities safe." Meantime, 11-year-old Scarlett Feiertag will be in 6th grade this year and will be one of thousands of students who start the year wearing a mask.
Well, I don't like wearing the masks. It's definitely annoying, but it's important.
And the latest data from Johns Hopkins University shows that the state of Illinois has seen a 46% increase in COVID-19 cases in just the last 7 days. Reporting live tonight outside of the Thompson Center in downtown